You've walked with them, you've laughed, cried, believed with them. But in season 6, you're about to watch every one of them break. Not because they didn't love him, but because loving him cost more than they ever imagined. What's up, fam? Welcome back to PrimeFlix TV, where we hype it, break it, and live every twist right alongside you. Let's get into The Chosen Season 6. So here's the thing. From the very beginning, The Chosen has been more than just a show. It's been a window into the hearts of people we thought we knew. Jesus wasn't just a figure. He was a friend, a teacher, a man who laughed, who wept, who carried hope in every step. And the disciplines, they weren't perfect saints. They were messy, flawed, just like us. Season 1 through season 4 showed us the miracles, the calling, the joy of something new breaking into the world. But with every miracle, the shadows grew. And by the time we hit season 5, we could feel it. The tension, the whispers, the sense that something devastating was about to crash down. Now, season 6, this is where the breaking begins. This is the season of betrayal, Judah's slow unrevealing, the chilling moment where loyalty turns into a kiss of death. And not just Judas. Think about Peter the Rock, the bold one, the guy who would swing a sword to defend Jesus. This is the season where he denim hymns 3 times. Can you imagine watching the moment play out? The heartbreak on his face, the silence after the rooster crows. And it's not just about the disciplines. This is the season where the crowds who once shouted, Hosanna, turn into mob demanding crucifixion. The shift from adoration to rejection and watching how quickly love can turn into hate is going to hit harder than anything we've seen yet. But here's what makes this season powerful. It's not about villains and heroes, it's about humanity. About what fear does to people. About what hope costs when the world turns against you. And that's exactly why the story feels brand new. Even though we already know where it's going to be. Now, let's just talk about the theories. Some are saying season 6 could put Judas front and center, showing us not just the act of the betrayal, but the build-up, his doubts, his reasoning, his belief that maybe he was helping, not hurting. That perspective could flip everything we thought we knew about him. Others believe Peter's downfall will be the emotional gut punch of the season and just his denial. But the guilt, the shame, the silence that follows. Because the show has always been about connection and watching the bond shatter. That's the kind of moment that leaves you staring at the screen long after the credits roll. And then there's Jesus himself. This is the season where he becomes quieter, more focused, carrying the weight of what's coming next. Will we see more of his private moments, his prayers, his heartbreak over the very people he came to save? If The Chosen stays true to form, we are not just watching history, we are feeling it. So yeah, miracles might fade in season 6, but what replaces them is raw, painful, unforgettable humanity. Here's the deal, The Chosen season 6 isn't going to give us easy answers. It's going to break us, test us, and remind us why the story still matters today, and that exactly why it's going to be unforgettable. Stick with me here on PrimeFlix TV, where we don't just watch the story, we live together. And drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and remember, sometimes the hardest season is the one that stays with us forever.